to introduce a new Mini in the heart of London is great, but it is also, of course, exciting. It's a moment of tension. And of course, since this is a very new product, we have not designed scooters before, we have not designed a mini scooter ever. So it's a very exciting and daunting task. But now seeing it here in the middle of London, I think we managed.
As you can tell, it is not a car. It has 2 wheels instead of 4. And it will have 0 emission. It would be an electric scooter, a vision of an electric scooter for the Mini brand.
Mini was born in England, but Mini became cool in London. And that is what we still try to portray and continue in the future.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now with a scooter, of course, Mini doesn't have a heritage or history, but London does. The whole mod movement in the 60s was all about scooters, it was about fashion, it was about being independent and having your own style and idea. And that is very Mini. So then, where else could we have introduced this concept? Agnes Dane is here, and of course she's a person that has a style of her own. She's perfect actually for Mini, and when I showed her the scooter she was very, very excited.
I think Agnes is the perfect association for the scooter. I think she's so quintessentially British. She loves her heritage. She lives in New York now, but she's so fiercely British, and she loves the mod culture, the mods and the rockers. She takes a lot of inspiration from that era for her own personal style, and I think it's ideal, really.
I think it's really nice when you can take a well-known brand like Mini and adapt it to another part of your life. So, I mean, it's still transport, but for anyone who can't have a car for whatever reason, they can now enjoy the Mini experience on a scooter. And I think it's just a very, very cool design, and I love the whole retro theme as well.
I've been really just taking in the atmosphere, the real London funky kind of vibe is here, and really anticipating what Mini had to reveal. And when I saw what it was, I have to admit straight away, I wanted one. I still want one.